Welcome. If you use Telegram and want your contact list to stay up to date across all your devices, turning on Contact Sync is the easiest way to do it. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable contact syncing on Telegram so you never lose touch with your friends, family, or coworkers. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap the menu icon that's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This opens a side panel filled with different options. From there, scroll down and select Settings. You'll see several categories that help you customize your Telegram experience. Tap on Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram stores all the options related to your data, permissions, and safety settings. Now scroll down until you find the option called Sync Contacts. If the toggle switch next to it is turned off, tap it once to turn it on. The switch should move to the right, and you'll usually see it change color to confirm that contact syncing is now enabled. What this feature does is simple but powerful. It lets Telegram automatically sync your phone's contacts to your Telegram account. That means whenever someone in your phone book joins Telegram, their profile will instantly appear in your contact list. It also helps Telegram suggest friends you might know, making it easier to connect. If you ever decide to turn off Contact Sync, you can simply return to the same setting and toggle it off again. Telegram will stop syncing new contacts, and depending on your choice, you can even remove previously synced contacts from the app. And that's all it takes. You've successfully turned on Contact Sync in Telegram. It's a small step that makes a big difference in staying connected and keeping your chat list organized. Go ahead and give it a try today. Your future conversations will thank you.